Gotta stay alive. Oh, I will survive. For the city streets, one love. For the hip hop beats, one love. Oh, I do believe one love is all we need. One love. For the mothers proud, one love. For the times we cried, one love. Gotta stay alive. Oh yeah, I will survive. One love. For the city streets, one love. For the hip hop beats, one love. Oh, I do believe one love is all we need.
Welcome to the program Afternoon Delight
Afternoon Delight.
with Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam. Only here at 102.5 FM. Manawag Dominican Radio. May kasama ka, si Jesus, si Maria at kami.
Good afternoon, the town of Angels, and welcome to the Afternoon Delight radio show only here at Manawag Dominican Radio. With yours truly, Kasamang JT, with my beloved and beautiful partner, Kasamang Yam.
Ayan, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon, Kasamang Yam! Happy Fiesta!
Yes, happy fiesta
Oo,
sa atin lahat.
katatapos lang, oo. At tamang-tama ang init at nung mga ilang araw lang, umulan ano.
Yes.
Oo, at
Yan.
blessing 'yon
Blessing.
para tayo'y medyo lumamig. Oo,
Para
at
mapawi naman yung init
yes,
na
oo.
panahon. Ayan.
Tama. Kumusta ba ang iyong nakaraang linggo Kasamang Yam?
Mainit pa rin yung
Mainit pa
mainit.
rin.
All week mainit ano. Pero medyo ano naman, maraming may mga gatherings akong inatinan.
Okay, okay.
Ganun. Pero okay naman.
Okay
so far.
naman.
Ikaw,
Oo.
kasama ang JT.
Anong tawag niya na meron lang mga inasikaso para sa ating website at okay lang kasama rin ng nakatulog dahil medyo umulan na ano hindi lang masyadong naka-attend noon sa ating celebration dito ng fiesta ng Manawag, although nandito tayo nung
Yes.
nung last Thursday ba yon?
Wednesday.
Yes,
Ayan.
yes, oo. Yun po. At kahapon ang last day ng fiesta yata dito sa Manawag. At kasalukuyan na meron pa ring mga konting event mamaya.
Event,
no? Oo,
yes.
so abang-abangan nyo po yan, mga kasama. At by the way, you can find us and watch us live dun po sa aming website. Go ahead, kasama ngayon.
You can visit us at www.radiomanawag.com and
Yes.
www.aradioportal.com
Yes.
and also www.manawagbasilica.org.
Yes, you can also send your email at Manawag Dominican Radio FM at gmail.com. You can also find us on our Twitter account. Yes, at Radyo Manawag at gmail.com. You can also send your text. Kasamang Yam, go ahead.
Sa ating text line 0923-717-4626
Yes.
and 0932-749-5154.
Yes, pwede ko kayong tumawag dyan at kung gusto nyo pong marinig ang inyong magagandang boses, you may call us live para po sa inyong mga requests and greetings. Yes.
Ayan. So, ano pinantay nyo mga kasama? Text lang.
Text lang po kayo at aabangan po namin ang inyong mga greetings. By the way, pwede rin po sa aming YouTube.
Ayan.
Hanapin nyo lang po kami sa YouTube ng Manawag Dominican Radio. Yan po. Medyo namamaos-maos pa, no? Iba talaga yung panahon din, ano?
Yes, tama ka dyan kasamang JT.
Oo, at talagang medyo pa iba-iba. Minsan uulan, minsan... But of course, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, blessing yan, blessing. Para kahit papano, maibsan yung ating init na nararamdaman, ano? Talagang mainit na.
Sobra.
At yung iba pa nagkakasakit kaya mag-ingat lang. Kahit ikaw kasama niyan, nagkasakit ka
Yes,
ba?
katatapos ko lang na
Oo,
magkasipon. Medyo okay naman na ako.
Oo, pati yung ating si kasamang Moy dahil maghapon siyang nagtatrabaho tapos malamig dito sa aircon sa loob, lalabas sa labas, mainit. Tapos nung gabi pag uwi niya, inulan. Oo.
Ayan, so mga kasama sa mga kaibigan natin na nagtatrabaho din dyan sa may initan.
Yes. Oo.
Ingat-ingat po
Oo,
tayo.
take a lot of water para po hindi tayo
Ma-dehydrate or
yes. Oo.
tamaan ng sakit. Ayan.
Yes, so ang required yata is parang 8 glasses a day. But pwede yung sobrahan yun.
Mas maigi yung
Yes.
mas madami.
Yes, dahil
Sa panahon ngayon, parang kukulangin na yung 8
Exactly.
Yan.
Dahil mas malaki ang portion ng anong tawag niya, ng tubig
Sa ating katawan.
Yes. Oo. Kaya ingat-ingat lang mga kasama para po sa inyong kalusugan at sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Laging bantayan ng likod, baka basa ng pawis, ano? Kaya bungang araw, pwede rin yun, ano?
Yeah, panahon ngayon ng
Oo,
mga araw.
oo, talagang maraming although basta stay healthy and para po maganda ang ating mangyayaring kinabukasan.
Ayan.
Yan, si kasamang boy binubuhat na yung ating ventilador. Medyo mainit po rito sa aming booth ngayon.
Ayan.
Thank you kasamang Moy.
More power sa'yo kasi.
More power. Oh. Well, anyway, here is the song by Bruno Mars. Just the way you are. Only here at Manawag Dominican Radio.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
the troubles in my life, I'm walking away. Oh, to find a better day, I'm walking away. Sometimes, some people get me wrong when it's something I've said or done. Sometimes you feel there is no fun. That's why you turn and run. But now I truly realize some people don't wanna compromise. Well, I saw them with my own eyes, spreading those lies. And well, I don't wanna live a lie. Too many sleepless nights, not mentioning the fights. I'm sorry to say, lady, I'm walking away from the troubles in my life. I'm walking away. Oh, to find a better day. I'm walking away from the troubles in my life. I'm walking away. Oh, to find a better day. I'm walking away. Well, I'm so tired, baby. Things you say, you're driving me away. It's bells in the powder room, baby. Don't listen to the games they play. Never thought you'd realize I'm not like them other guys. 'Cause I saw them with my own eyes. You should have been more wise. And well, I don't wanna live my life. Too many sleepless nights, not mentioning the fights. I'm sorry to say, lady, I'm walking away. Oh, I'm walking away. Trouble in my life. Trouble in my life. Oh, to find a better day. I'm walking away. Walking away. Trouble in my life. I'm walking away. Better day. I'm walking away. I'm walking away. Trouble in my life. Oh, I'm gonna find a better day. Oh yeah. The troubles in my life, baby.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Take me to your heart, show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are right, every wish is ours tonight, my love. Pity those who wait, trust in love to fate, finding out too late that they've lost it. Never letting go, they will never know the ways of love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You've got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. I may never know why I need you so. All I need to know is this feeling. Handle it with care. We were born to share this dream, my love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You've got to believe in magic,
Dominican Radio, in cooperation with thefranciscanradio.org, brings you the Saint of the Day.
Anthony Messenger Press. Today we celebrate St. Peter of Tarentaise. There are two men named St. Peter of Tarentaise who lived 1 century apart. The man we honor today is the younger Peter, born in France in the early part of the 12th century. The other man, with the same name, became Pope Innocent V. The Peter we're focusing on became a Cistercian monk and eventually served. This is Saint of the Day for May 8th from the Franciscans and St. Anthony Messenger Press. Today we celebrate St. Peter of Tarentaise. There are two men named St. Peter of Tarentaise who lived 1 century apart. The man we honor today is the younger Peter, born in France in the early part of the 12th century. The other man, with the same name, became Pope Innocent V. The Peter we're focusing on became a Cistercian monk and eventually served as abbot. In 1142, he was named Archbishop of Tarentaise, replacing a bishop who had been deposed because of corruption. Peter tackled his new assignment with vigor. He brought reform into his diocese, replaced lax clergy, and reached out to the poor. He visited all parts of his mountainous diocese on a regular basis. After about a decade as bishop, Peter disappeared for a year and lived quietly as a lay brother at an abbey in Switzerland. When he was found out, the reluctant bishop was persuaded to return to his post. He again focused many of his energies on the poor. Peter died in 1175 on his way home from an unsuccessful papal assignment to reconcile the kings of France and England. There's more about the saints along with inspiration and Catholic resources at our website, franciscanradio.org. From the Franciscans and St. Anthony Messenger Press, this is Saint of the Day.
Pakinggan po natin si kasamang JT sa Tagumpay sa Tag-Unos kasama ang Diyos.
Ngayong Mayo 8, ating pagnilayan ang kwento ng pinamagatang ang pagnanais mong makilala ang Diyos. Sa lahat ng dako ng mundo'y makakakita ka ng templo, moske, simbahan, at mga pagtitipon sa ngalan ng relihiyon. Bakit? Sinasabi ng mga anthropologists na likas sa relihiyon ang tao, pero mas malalim dito ang tanong, paano sumibol ang pananabik sa higit pa? Saan galing ang hangarin na makilala ang Diyos at sambahin siya? Sinong naglagay dito doon? Agad sasagot ang mga Kristiyano, ang Diyos. Nilikha niya tayong ganon. Sinabi sa aklat ng Ecclesiastes na inilagay rin niya ang walang hanggang sa isipan ng tao. Gayon may hindi niya malalaman ang ginawa ng Diyos mula pa sa simula hanggang sa wakas. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Ecclesiastes, Kapitulo 3, versikulo 11. Naniniwala si Dr. Hugh Ross, isang sayantipiko at tagapagpaliwanag ng Kristiyanong pananampalataya, na ang curiosity ng isang tao ay isang ebidensya na hindi lamang siya nilikha sa wangis at larawan ng Diyos, kundi higit sa lahat ay may Diyos. Mahalaga pa ba kung ang pagnanais mong makilala ang Diyos ay inilagay sa pinakabuod ng mga sedula ng katawan mo o kung yon ay simpleng nasa puso mo? Ang katotohanan ay hangad mong makilala ang Diyos upang makatiyak ka na may layunin kung bakit ka ipinanganak sa mundo at maaari kang magkaroon ng malapit na kaugnayan sa Kanya. Hindi napakalupit ng Diyos na nilikha ka niya nang may hangaring makilala siya, nang di rin siya nagbigay ng katugunan para mapunan ang pangangailangang ito, para masagot ang mga tanong mo, para magtapos ang iyong paghahanap sa pagkakayapos sa kanyang dakilang pag-ibig. Inilagay niya ang pagkauhaw sa puso mo upang lubusin niyang pawiin. Ganito ang sinabi sa salmista, pagkat binigyan ng kasiyahan ang mga nauuhaw at mga nagugutom ay binubusog niya ng mabubuting bagay. Nais mo bang makilala ang Diyos ng mas malalim at higit na kasiyasiya? Magpakumbaba ka sa iyong puso at lumuhod sa harap niya at sabihin ito sa Kanya. Hayaan mong bumuhos ang mga salita at pati ang mga luha. Alam at nauunawaan niya.
Lord, I am not going to wait until everything will be better and until all the pains disappear in my life. I am thanking you right now. I am thanking you, Father, because I am alive and you haven't given up on me. Ito po ang inyong lingkod na si Kasamang JT para sa pang-araw-araw nating gabay sa buhay.
Atin pong napakinggan si Kasamang JT sa Tagumpay sa Tag-Unos, Kasama ang Diyos, sa inspirasyon ni Harold J. Sala. Dito po lamang sa Manawag Dominican Radio. May kasama ka, si Jesus, si Maria, at kami.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
I need a love that grows. I don't want it unless I know that each passing out, someone somehow will be there, ready to share. I need a love that's strong. I'm so tired of being alone, but will my lonely heart play the part of the fool again? Before I begin, foolish heart, hear me calling, stop before you start falling. Foolish heart, heed my warning, you've been wrong before, don't be wrong anymore. Feeling not feeling again, I'm playing a game I can't win. Love's knocking on the heart once more. Think I'll let her in before I begin. Foolish heart, hear me calling, stop before you start falling. Foolish heart, heed my warning, you've been wrong before, won't be wrong anymore. Foolish heart, foolish, foolish heart, you've been wrong before. Foolish heart, hear me calling, stop before you start falling. Foolish heart, heed my warning, you've been wrong before, don't be wrong anymore. Foolish heart, oh foolish, foolish heart, you've been wrong before. Foolish, foolish heart.
The Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5 Manawag Dominican Radio.
Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. For the morning sun and all its glory, the day with hope and comfort too. You fill my life with laughter, and somehow you make it better. Ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day, we should give thanks and pray to the one, to the one. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day, we should give thanks and pray to the one, to the one. And have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. Take away all my sadness, fill my life with gladness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. Take away all my sadness, fill my life with gladness, ease my troubles, that's what you do.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Welcome back to the Afternoon Delight radio show only here at Manawag Dominican Radio 102.5 FM. Kasamang Yam, meron kaya tang mga pagbati dyan?
Siyempre, unay muna natin batiin ang ating mga valuable employee of the Minor Basilica. Ayan.
Yes, oo. Ang
Magandang hapon po sa
magandang
inyo,
hapon,
mga kasama.
mga diligent, smart, faithful, loyal, and productive employees of the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of Manawag. Good afternoon po sa inyo.
Batiin din natin ang magandang hapon si Boss Cool na medyo inuubo-ubo ata.
Uy, get well soon, boss. Oo.
Pagaling ka, boss.
Pagaling ka,
Ayan,
pagaling
yan.
ka.
At saka sa mga kasamahan na rin natin sa kina Kasamang Ace,
Kay
syempre si
Kasamang
Kasamang
Moy.
Moy.
Oo. At si Kasamang Jervis, nandyan po sa kabila. Jervis Tukay ng San Jacinto. Good afternoon sa iyo. Oo.
Ayan.
At si Janly Ramos, or si Kasamang, should I say, Kasamang Sky, na atin pong DJ sa kanyang programang Facebook. May
Ayan.
mga babatiin ka dyan, Kasamang Yam.
Batiin natin yung mga kaibigan natin na nagsiselebrate ng kanilang karawang ngayong
Oy,
buwan
happy-
ng Mayo.
Oh, happy birthday. O sige,
Ayan.
go ahead.
Belated happy birthday to Ma'am Eufrosina Valdres.
Nung May 1.
Yan, tsaka kay Alfredo Murillo and Virginia Murillo nung May 2.
Yes.
At saka si Julia Palma pala.
Oo.
Yan, kay Ma'am Julia.
Happy birthday sa inyo.
And also kay Ma'am Rebecca Orduño.
Okay.
At saka si nagsiselebrate ngayon ng birthday si Mr. Serviliano Castro Jr. Happy birthday
Oy,
po.
ngayon mismo yan. Ano?
Yes, May 8.
Happy birthday sa iyo.
Ayan. And advance happy birthday to Ma'am Merlita Pacanya,
Yeah.
kay Mylene Queiroz, and
Okay.
to Donald Frianeza.
Yes, happy birthday po sa inyo at may God bless you always.
And more birthdays to come.
And more birthdays to come.
Babatiin ko rin pala si yung tita ko na nasa Dubai.
Okay. Oy.
Kay Tita Marites Paraino Torio.
Oh,
Ayan.
good afternoon, tita. Nakikita.
Batiin ko na rin yung kapatid ko na magse-celebrate ng birthday niya this coming May 10.
Oy.
Tsaka
Happy
si
birthday.
Mama
Oo,
ng
happy
May
Oy,
12.
Mama, happy birthday po.
Ayan,
Oo.
tsaka syempre, babatiin ko din ng happy Mother's Day kay Mama kahit pasaway kami masyado sa
Ay,
kanya,
ganun ba?
haba pa rin ng pasensya
Oo,
niya.
happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga
birthday.
Oo, happy birthday po. At sa lahat ng nanay, happy Mother's Day po.
Yan, sa
Oo.
lahat-lahat.
Meron ka pang pagbati kasama yan?
Siyempre, unahin ko muna yung mga pagbati mo. Baka may gusto kang batiin dyan.
Oo, binabati natin ang lahat ng kasama clan na patuloy na sumusuporta at nakikinig po dito sa ating himpilan. Good afternoon sa lahat kay Ate Merlin Mendoza at kay Kuya Nestor Mendoza, kana Marie, si Jess at si at ganun din kana Melay Ferrer, kay Joy Soriano, kay A Soriano of course, kay
Tsaka saan lang mga chikiting.
Oo, sa
Hello
kanyang mga
there.
kachikiting, si Ann Lopez, si Kenz, at si Nadine, marami sila masyado, si Mel, yes, good afternoon sa inyong lahat, si JR,
Ayan,
yes,
sa
good
lahat
afternoon.
ng membro ng Kasama Clan.
Yes, good afternoon sa inyo at salamat sa pakikinig at ikaw kasamang yam.
Siyempre, babatiin din natin yung mga likers natin on Facebook.
Oo, meron na.
Ayan.
Oo, palakpakan natin yan.
Naunguna sa listahan.
Oo.
Si Ma'am Jenna Onatic,
Oy, good afternoon po.
sa kaibigan kong si Ken Boy Tizon na
Oy,
lagi
good
nakikinig.
afternoon. Oho.
And to Miss Flor de Lisa Almero.
Oh, good afternoon
and to
po.
Olga Kalambay.
Oh, good
and
afternoon
to
po.
Zene Baldonado, Jinky Calma, and Beng Ordonez.
Yes, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsama sa amin sa hapong ito.
At walang sawa pa rin po kayong sumuporta sa aming radyo, makinig.
Yes, oo, marami
Ayan.
kaming mga programa dito gaya ng Usapang Kristiyano, Usapang Katoliko, nandyan ang Reflections with Mary, nandyan din ang Peace Book, of course. Meron din tayong ang Pamilyang Kristiyano at iba pa. Yan po. At of course, lahat yan ay matuturuan kayo ng mga magbibigay sa inyo ng enlightenment, lalo na po sa ating mga spiritual na pagninilay-nilay para po sa mga bagay-bagay.
Ayan. At huwag din po natin kaligtahan na manood, makinig ng live masses po natin.
Yes, of course. Oo,
Ayan.
para lalong-lalo na doon sa mga hindi nakakapunta dito sa simbahan o pati doon sa mga
Pati
may
na rin
sakit.
sa ating mga kababayan natin sa ibang bansa.
Yes, oo.
Ayan.
At sa matter of fact, marami tayong mga nakukuhang mga feedback na they're very thankful na meron
Yan.
tayong na ibibigay na live mass po sa inyo. That's 6 in the morning, 11 in the morning, and 5 in the afternoon. That's Monday to Friday. At 6 in the morning, 11, and 4:30 on Saturday PM. At ganun naman po sa Sunday, 6, 11, and
4:30.
Yeah, yes.
4:30.
4:30. Or
Ay,
yes.
4 ata.
4, yes.
Yan.
So, yan po. At talagang pong binibigyan po namin ng priority yung
Live masses.
live mass na yan dahil marami po talagang ating mga kapatid na mga Katoliko na hindi nakakapagsimba na kung saan man silang bansa na naroroon. Siguro gawa ng kanilang kabisihan o kaya merong mga bansa na malalayo yung simbahan kung saan sila ay nagtatrabaho. So, ito pong live mass po na ito ay para po sa inyo at lalo na rin po sa mga may sakit nating kasama, no?
Tama ka dyan, kasama JT.
Oo, ako noon, dahil hindi ako masyado nakakasimba, gawa na ako'y naka-wheelchair, dito ako sa radyo nakikinig. Yan yung at least nakakasimba. But of course, iba pa rin talaga yung ika nga ni
Yan.
Father Butch, yung
Mas
meron
maganda
kang-
pa rin
yes.
yung physically na may
Yes,
participate
you're
ka
present.
sa sa
Yes.
mass.
Oo, kaya anyway, basta po kung ano man po yung simple naming may paglilingkod sa inyo, maraming salamat po sa inyo pong pag-appreciate.
Ayan. So paano ba yan? Babalik ulit
we
natin.
will be right back. Here is a song, Home by Brian McKnight. Actually, this song is a spiritual song. Only here at Manawag Dominican Radio 102.5.
Thinking back when we first met, I remember what you said. You said you never leave me. Yeah, I let go of your hand, built my castle in the sand, but now I'm reaching out again, and I'm not letting go till you hold me, mold me. Sometimes I feel so all alone. See, I gotta find my way back home, so why don't you shape me, make me, wash me whiter than the snow. I gotta find my way back home. Master, upon my knees I pray, I just wanna be the clay. Put your arms around me. Yeah. Place my life in your hands. Lord, I know I'm just a man. Know you understand. This time I'm not letting go till you anoint me, appoint me. Sometimes I feel so all alone. See, I gotta find my way back home, so why don't you chastise me, baptize me, wash me whiter than the snow. I gotta find my way, 'cause I'm lost and alone. I've been wandering long enough to know. Humbly I search for you, and I'm not gonna rest till you choose me, use me. Sometimes I feel so all alone.
Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
The Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5 Manawag Dominican Radio.
This is how much I feel for you, lonely heart. How much I feel for you. Some of those mistakes have already been redeemed. Just with the sight of your smile, I'll never wake up from this dream. Should I be cautious? Things do pass with the seasons. Should I believe in you when there's not a single reason? Maybe this is how much I feel for you, lonely heart. How much I feel for you. How much I feel. You're the cup that holds my sanity. Declare my vanity. Just keep your lonely heart in my soul. Feel for you. How much I feel for you, lonely heart. How much I feel for you. How much I feel for you, lonely heart. Somewhere between these roads, there's a structure that houses your heart.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
So beautiful. To me, you are so beautiful. To me, can't you see? You are so beautiful. To me.
Our time now is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Let us now have our time check prayer.
Inaanyayahan ko po kayo na samahan ninyo ako sa panalangin sa oras na ito. Panalangin ng isang guro. Salamat sa iyo, Panginoong Yesus, sapagkat binigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon turuan ang aking mga mag-aaral araw-araw. Pagpalain mo ang aking isip, o Panginoon, upang maituro ko sa kanila ang karunungang kailangan nila sa buhay. Pagpalain mo ang aking mga mata, o Panginoon, upang makita ko sa bawat isa sa kanila. Pagpalain mo ang aking mga labi, o Panginoon, upang maipahayag ko sa kanila ang katotohanan tungkol sa lahat ng bagay, at sa gayoy magabayan sila sa buhay. Pagpalain mo ang aking puso, o Panginoon, upang mahalin ko ang aking mga mag-aaral katulad ng pagmamahal mo sa akin. Pagpalain mo ang aking mga kamay, o Panginoon, upang maituro ko sa kanila ang mga kasanayang kailangan, at sa gayoy makahanap sila ng maayos na ikakabuhay. At bilang panghuli, pagpalain mo ang buong kong pagkatao, o Panginoon, upang ako'y maging buhay na halimbawa ng lahat ng mabubuting bagay na itinuturo ko sa kanila. Ang lahat nito ay hiningi namin sa ngalan ni Kristo. Amen.
Mula sa Manawag Dominican Broadcasting Incorporated, napapakinggan sa buong mundo sa pamamagitan ng www.eradioportal.com at www.radyomanawag.com. May kasama ka si Jesus, si Maria at kami.
Our positive thought for this hour. It's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years.
Ating pong pakinggan ang Kapet Pandesal ni Risa Singson Kaupeng.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Magkapet pandasal muna po tayo. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng, Editor-in-Chief ng Kirigma Magazine. Nung gabi ng aking flight pauwi ng Pilipinas mula sa Amerika, hindi ako makatulog kakaisip kung gaano kapigat ang hand carry ko. Sa ibang airline kasi, 7 kilo lang ang dapat carry-on luggage. Ngunit sa dami ng gamit ko, napuno na ito. Ang isa ko pang inaalala ay 3 beses akong lilipat ng eroplano. Masyadong mabigat ang carry-on ko para buhatin at ilagay sa overhead compartment dahil may diferensya ang kanan kong balikat. Nung nasa airport na ako at nag-aantay na sumakay, nag-anunsyong stewardess na dahil puno ang eroplano namin, maaari daw i-check-in ng libre ang mga may mabigat na carry-on luggage. Halos maluha ako dahil sa napakalakas na mensahe mula sa Diyos ang aking natanggap. Na inaalagaan niya ako kahit sa maliit na bagay gaya ng aking mabigat na maleta. Kapamilya, sa bawat sandali, ipinapakita ng Diyos sa atin ang kanyang pag-aaruga. Napupuna mo ba mga kilos niya sa mga ordinaryong pangyayari sa buhay mo? Tayo magdasal. Jesus, buksan mo ang aking mga mata upang makita ko ang kilos mo sa buhay ko sa bawat sandali. Amen.
Atin pong napakinggan ang Kapet Pandesal ni Risa Singson Kaupeng. Atin pong pakinggan ang mga pasabi mula sa Basilica Minore ng Manawag. Here is the schedule of Barangay BEC Saturday Masses at 4:30 in the afternoon for the month of May 2017. May 6, BEC Babasit Pugaro, BEC Bliss Pugaro, and BEC Malikdem. May 13, BEC Santa Ines and BEC Borac. May 20, BEC Tibul West, BEC Liksi, and BEC Pantal. And that's the schedule of Barangay BEC Saturday Masses at 4:30 in the afternoon for the month of May 2017. Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Manaoag is in need of a guidance counselor, 1 teacher in preschool, 3 teachers in grade school, and 3 junior high school teachers, 1 major in English, 1 major in math, and 1 major in science. The school is also in need of office secretary, preferably female, single, and computer literate. Applicants may submit their resume at Letran Manaoag Administration Office and kindly look for Miss Mary Rose Sigen. Thank you.
Oh, you to God, you have a company.